Hey everybody, it's the Yard Buddha, and I am out here in my yard today doing some snow blowing. This is the Ego SNT 2110. I bought this without batteries because I already had some batteries from my other Ego products. I think I paid $469 for it. So let's just show you how it performs. This is my first time using it, so I've got my 2 batteries in here. It says it recommends using at least 4 amp hour or higher in there. This handle over here is the shoot turning adjustment, and then I kind of have the throwing distance at its max. If you want to angle it a little more down, you can go like that, but right now I'm just going to try to shoot everything to the right. This button right here will actually is your safety, and then you pull down there, start it up. This over here is your throttle control to speed it up or slow down depending on how much snow you have. So I'm just going to put it on middle for right now, but let's see how it goes. I'm going to try to shoot everything over to the right here. This is really light and powdery, but you can see it gets pretty low. Pretty clean to the ground there, so. Really quiet, and this is only a couple inches, so it's easy. I'm supposed to get about 8 more inches here this week sometime, so that'll be a little tougher. Maybe I'll come out and demonstrate that also. I just have a 3-car kind of driveway here, so I didn't need the big 2-stage snow blower. This is the one with the steel auger though, just in case you have ice and stuff. That's kind of nice. And actually the one with the rubber auger was almost the same price as this, and just for like I think 30 bucks less. And I just figured that might as well go with the better auger. Really light and maneuverable. These handles do fold down too, so you have a much smaller storage area. And you can even, I'm going to go do a neighbor's car today, and I'm just going to load it in the back of my van, and it folds up to do that. Pretty clean trail. See if I'll adjust the throttle here and see if it does anything different. I'll put it down low. There, that's as low as it'll go. So that'll save your battery. It's still doing a good job. You got your battery gauge down there with the green light. And it does throw the snow pretty far. I think if you adjust this all the way up, that's as far as it throws it. This will definitely save you time with 6 to 8 inches of snow. It's kind of just fun here with a couple inches. Super quiet, and then it actually also has these LED lights. So if you press this button right there, it's got lights in the front, so if you're out here early in the morning or late at night, then you can see where you're going. It's pretty cool. Let's turn it off for now to save power. I'm liking it. Alright, so I'm headed over to my neighbors right now to do their driveway, and just want to show you how it kind of folds up and sits in the back of your car. The manual said this weighs 53 pounds without the batteries, so whatever size batteries you have in there is going to change the weight. I have a 10 and a 5 amp hour in there, and it's probably about 60 pounds or so, so not horrible. You just want to turn this chute to the right or to the left, and then undo these easy handles, snap handles, and it just folds right down. So let's go do some more snow blowing. Alright, so finished up my neighbor's driveway. This one's a lot bigger than mine was, so it took me about maybe 25-30 minutes. And that included just using some shovels too to edge everything up. And the battery lasted on this thing. Let's go look to see how much is left. It worked great. I mean, this thing is really maneuverable to shoot, so super easy to point stuff where you want. And let's check the 10 amp hour. We got 2 out of 5 bars left, so probably used about 2/3, maybe a little less than a half. So it did 2 driveways on 1 charge, so really pleased with this. Already starting to make some money off of doing some other yards and work, so it's starting to pay for itself. So I don't have a lot of experience with snowblowers, but my first impression of this after running it for a full day is I love it. There was just a couple things that maybe weren't as good as advertised, like the throwing distance. I don't know, about 40 feet. It may have been because of the kind of light powdery snow and there wasn't as much of it, but
it was probably going maybe 25, 30 feet. And then the snow chute would kind of on its own just lower due to vibration, and there may be some snow jammed in those grooves in there that I just need to clean out. But I noticed myself starting off in that position, and then it would just slowly dip down. But otherwise it performed awesome. So I got 2 driveways done. The battery probably lasted 45 minutes, and I had it on kind of medium throttle most of the time. Probably could have just left it at low because there wasn't that much snow. We probably had 3 inches today, which is normal for where we live. And that's kind of the reason why I purchased this model. There's kind of 3 or 4 different models that you could look at. The lowest end is the one with the rubber auger, and I think I had mentioned it's only 30 bucks less than this. And then the next stage, or the biggest one, is the 2-stage one, which I think it starts at 1,200 bucks. I got this for $4.69 on Amazon. If you want the batteries to go with it, the 2 5 amp hour battery one I think is $7.49, and then the 2 7.5 amp battery one was $9.49 or $9.99. So if you're interested in getting into some more Ego products, you can go check out some of my other reviews. I have 4 or 5 on some other summer yard related tools, but I'm really happy with this snowblower so far. And as soon as we get a big dump of snow here, I'll do another review of going through 6 to 8 inches of snow, but I can't guarantee that it'll happen this year, so I just wanted to give my first impressions on this at first. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.